Hi, welcome to the cocktail vlog. I'm Steve the bartender, and today I'm going to show you how to make an old barrel. So this particular cocktail, bit of an old-fashioned riff, and this one's from New York City, from the bar Attaboy. I've got a fresh bottle of Hudson Manhattan Rye, which I'm pretty excited to use. It's got a herbal liqueur, Dom Benedictine, so it's going to add a little bit of spice to it. It does have half an ounce, which is quite a bit of sugar for this cocktail, but it's going to be balanced out by the dryness of the Amontillado Sherry. So first we want to start by adding 60 ml or 2 ounces, and I'm going to mix it straight in the glass, make it nice and easy. Followed by 15 ml, half an ounce of the Benedictine. So it's going to add some herbal notes to the spice of the rye. And finally, a little bit of dry sherry. Same measurement, 15 ml, half an ounce. And 2 dashes of Angostura bitters. Fill your old-fashioned glass with some nice big cubes and then stir it down. Then garnish with a lemon peel. Spread those oils over the top. Try and get a nice big piece of peel. And there you have the old barrel. Cheers. Getting a lot of citrus, there's a lot of oils just sitting there on the top. That's good, that's really good. A lot of spiciness, a lot of herbal notes. It's not overly sweet, which is good. It's just that Amontillado Sherry really brings down that sweetness, so I'm going to enjoy this one. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe, and vote below for your favourite whiskey cocktail. Cheers.